got 5. I think 3 of those kills were with iron sights. Yeah, I'm going again after that. I'm hungry. I normally do, but that works pretty well for us. No.
It will this game.
Trouble is, someone's got to get shot for everybody else to know where to look. And it's normally me that gets shot first.
We just have to see the enemy before they see us.
Okay.
Okay, doke. And here we go.
I don't see anyone else. I think I see people going for the tunnels.
For the what?
The tunnels.
Oh, alright.
The bunker.
Yeah.
Yes.
Four times.
Wow, that was fast.
I got a 4 times for you.
Oh shit! I got scared. Fuck! I didn't know you were in here. I almost shot you. Yeah. All right, we've checked on it. Everything.
I need one.
That,
Who's me?
that was pretty poor. Well, we've got time to head to live
Okay.
Vodka.
I'm coming.
Guys, wanna go to the mansion? We can find a car.
Did you get a scope for your connecting? I can give you mine.
Guys at range of, I've only got a microwave.
Level 2 backpack here on the little shack.
Do you want to grab a car and head for Yaz?
Yeah, if we can find a car. I'll just need another vehicle. Can you come to the mansion?
Here, I'll check the stop building.
Level 2 west.
I take it you've done the 3-story building already.
Yeah, I did that. There's an AK in there, which I didn't take.
I'll go for that.
On the top floor, I think. Alright, shall we go to Yas?
Something.
I need that AK. I've only got a UMP and a micro Uzi at the moment.
Oh, okay. Who had the car 98? Okay. There's a flash hider here. And an 8x scope, if you want that. Yeah, that would be nice. Thank you.
Nice. I'm keeping my 4x then.
No sign of that AK. Oh, there it is.
Nice.
On the way. Still think we head for north for a circle, so we're the
Yeah, that's true. Unless someone drove there, as we do.
Let's just take this police station. And
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop right here.
Oh,
no one else does.
Are you kidding me? Yeah. Fuck. Alright, we can drive to the next circle. Car coming?
yeah, noisy.
They're gone.
Yeah, they got a.
Oh, they did?
I've got no scopes, so I can't hit them unless someone wants to drop me that 8x.
I hit one.
Me being
Kill.
Nice.
He was alone.
Was he?
Yeah,
What an idiot.
yeah. What a idiot.
Alright, you going and loot? You going to loot him? Extended. Alright.
I'll go loot him.
Okay.
Maybe he had a sniper because he was
Maybe.
confident.
Yeah, and a scope.
yeah. Well, if he's got a sniper, you can have this 8x back.
Ooh, ah, fuck.
You coming?
Suppressors and one SMG here.
What's
Anybody wants
around
it?
here?
Yeah, can you carry it for me?
Yeah, I can carry it.
What's around this area?
You're telling me one guy stopped in the open on this hill to shoot at us?
Aha.
What an idiot. Question is, where did he die? Still, we got his car as well, so...
I don't see his crate though. What's around this area?
Alright.
You found it?
I've now got car 98.
Nice.
Oh, cheek pad for sniper rifle. Shit, I can't carry it. What am I going to drop? This. Wait, one minute. Here we go. 4 times. I can't carry anymore. Fuck.
I can use that.
Alright. Of course. I'm coming down now. You got the vehicle over
Yeah.
there? Okay.
So we have two snipers now?
2 snipers, 2 vehicles.
Alright, I've got a cheek pad 4 times and an SMG suppressor. I'm gonna drop it over here. Here, suppress SMG. No? Alright, I'll just give it to you when we arrive.
Where to?
Here maybe blue. Or here.
Okay.
Around here.
How's that car? Fuel?
We are
I've got
half.
gas can.
I was going to say as well, so...
People on the tower to our right.
Alright, guess we're not going there. No, just stop up here at the hill, because I need to drop some things for you. Yeah, right here. Alright. On the bench. Who needed the suppressor for the SMG?
I did, but that was before I dropped my SMG for this car 98.
Oh, alright. Then I guess we're just leaving it there. Wait, did I? Oh shit, I did. I'm just walking to the next circle.
AKM with 7.62 ammo here.
Yeah, let's look down on Rostock from the hill, see who's in there first.
Okay.
Vehicle,
Car? Buggy?
top of the hill.
No, motorcycle. Wait, what? It flipped
Slow down.
or something.
Or the stop.
They got out.
What's that?
Alright, 240, there's like a hill there. They're behind that. At least one of them.
Christ, thing right near me then.
Oh, there it is.
I don't think we should chase them.
Huh? Oh yeah, I see that. Oh, they drove away. Yeah, the blue one?
Yeah.
Okay. I think these guys left. Yeah, they did. Alright, they're down here. I see them. Alright, 240 in my position. The guys in the buggy, they jumped out. They're going for the swim.
They're going for the crate.
We need to move here, maybe. Alright, left side of the blue house and right side of the blue house, guys. Inside the blue house. Oh, also southwest, there's a guy moving there. I can't hit shit. Oh, taking shots. Yep, south, there's a guy at that tree. Between south and 165. I'm moving.
One's just run into the warehouse.
Yep. Another one just walk into the warehouse. Circle. I've got other guys west from us running down the hill. Yeah, the same hill as us, west, far out.
They're fighting someone else now.
Yeah, they are. Alright, it's a good circle. We can use this as cover. Alright, guys at a rock, west. They're looking at us.
One knocked. Reloading. Knocked again.
They're taking shots from somewhere else.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the other side of the...
2 kills.
Yeah. They're all dead over there.
Yep. Oh,
Alright, we're in the circle here, so we can just chill. Are we moving up?
moving close.
Car?
By the warehouse.
Yeah. There's still guys in the warehouse.
Yeah, let them fight.
I hit one.
He's knocked. He's killed. One guy down.
There's 2 more inside the warehouse now.
Yeah. I see one.
Okay, we've definitely got contacts over this.
Okay, one.
I need some help, guys. Someone pick
I'm
me up.
coming.
I'm coming.
Oh, shit,
Oh,
too
there.
late. Take my car 98. The contacts are in the building across the field. We've got good scopes. Okay.
Damn it.
Get
They
that
see me.
up.
You need help?
Take my stuff and run. Did you get the car 98 from me?
No, I couldn't pick it up.
Get some smoke on it.
Doesn't matter, we're in close quarters now.
It's okay.
Yeah, just press it.
I got meds and 8 times. But they saw me.
You know which building they're in anyway.
Watch out there, Leon gun.
Uh-huh.
There's still more people.
Yeah, I hear.
Alright, we should move down here and then get in circle. Shit, who threw that?
That was me.
Okay. No need to worry then.
I heard the footsteps inside the warehouse.
Yeah. Can we move now? Wanna move?
Uh-huh.
Oh shit, there goes
Okay.
Luke. Guys on the other side of the hill. Far away. I'm watching our east.
Check by that water tower as well.
Yeah, there's guys at the water tower. That's that guy.
I see a lot of movement south.
Okay, not too bad. We can move left side here and go down.
South in the roof. The 3-story.
Okay.
2-story with roof.
Copy.
It's a movement. They are in the Dacia now.
I see.
They are in that house now.
Alright, we should move now.
Let's move.
This way. Yeah, they're on top of the roof. 195. Nice.
Good
Go.
work. From behind.
Moving down. Leon gone? You're with me? No, alright. I'm alone.
Going with counter.
That's good. Yeah, guys here. Southwest 240. Saw one guy there. Could be more. Heard shots.
I think there's some by the tree to your southwest as well.
Yeah.
Sorry, caretaker, your southwest. The tree just outside of the city.
Yeah, I see that. jet cake.
Yeah.
Inside the house, west, directly in front of us, the red one. 2 stories.
I saw.
Bottom floor. Guy moving southwest down the hill. I can't see. In the road right now. By the tree, between 255 and west.
Yep. Caretaker southeast, but again, still by those trees.
Alright, that's all of them. One in
So-
red, one in the tree, and 2 over that tree. So that must be 1 guy in this house. Only 1.
They're smoking from the trees.
I wanna move. Please move.
I'm going in.
Nice.
Kill. Instant.
3 guys.
This guy has first aid. Thank you.
Maybe the other side.
Where the heck is he? Is he on the other side of this? No. Alright, I see you guy advancing.
Not done. Dead.
Last guy that's on top of the hill. South, in the open. Fuck. Oh shit,
Dead.
yeah.
Woo!
Yes, well done.
I got 5 kills. Nice.
I got 3 kills.
Good work, everyone.
Two as well.
Yeah.
That was